do you find it difficult to introduce yourself in English? Don't worry. In today's video, we will learn how to give your introduction using simple and easy sentences. These sentences will improve your English skills, and you'll be able to introduce yourself anywhere with confidence.
Talking about yourself is the first step to confidence. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to introduce yourself naturally, without any fear, without hesitation.
The very first step is to say your name. How do you say your name in English?
My name is Sam.
Very good, Sam. Everyone can say their name in English in the same way. By the way, my name is Amelia. Now, let's move on to our next step, talking about your age.
I am 20 years old. And you tell me, Amelia, how old are you?
Excellent, Sam. It seems you have told your age in English very well. By the way, I am 22 years old. My next question is, how can we talk about our city?
I live in New York. And you, Amelia, where are you from?
Very good, Sam. Now it feels fun talking with you. And I am from London. Will you tell me about your daily routine?
I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. After that, I get ready, have breakfast, and then go to school. In the evening, I go out with my friends to chat.
Oh, wow, Sam. I also like spending time with friends. Will you like to tell me about your future plans?
I want to become a doctor. I like helping people, Amelia. It will be my good fortune that I do this good work.
Sam, you are really amazing. Truly, becoming a doctor and helping people is really a good work. I also want to become a doctor and help people. Tell me, what is your personality like, Sam?
I stay with friends like a friend. I am always in a chill mood, just like a good friend.
Sam, to tell the truth, I spoke my heart. I like shopping with friends, going out, going to parties, and dancing. Tell me, Sam, what do you like to learn in the future?
In the future, I want to learn computer skills. I love technology. It is my life.
That means our thinking is the same. I also love technology. My next question is, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I listen to music, read books, and sometimes play cricket with friends.
Oh, wow. I also like reading books in my free time. Tell me, which city would you like to visit?
In the future, I will like to go to Paris. I like its culture and beautiful places.
I myself like to visit Paris. I like its culture and the people there are very lovely. Tell me, which niche would you like to choose in the future?
In the future, I will like to go into technology. I like teaching. I like to teach students.
Well done, Sam. Technology and teaching. Tell me, how will you describe your personality?
My personality is friendly. I always stay positive and help my friends.
Well done, Sam. You are genius. Truly, being friendly and positive are very important qualities. Tell me, what do you think about future learning goals?
For future learning, I want to improve English. I also want to learn technology and communication skills.
Improving English and learning technology and communication skills is really very useful. I also think the same. Now tell me, how do you spend your free time?
Amelia, most of the time I spend free time with friends, watching movies, going to parties, and having fun.
Oh, wow. Sam, I also like watching movies and going to parties very much. Now tell me, what do you think about your travel plans?
My travel plans are to visit Europe and America. I like to see new cities and experience different cultures.
Very wonderful, Sam. Traveling in Europe and America is really very exciting. Seeing new cities and experiencing different cultures truly makes learning and personality strong. Now tell me, what do you think about your future career?
In my future, I want to do teaching. I like teaching students English and communication skills.
Very good, Sam. Teaching is a very great profession. Teaching students English and communication skills will be very helpful for their future. Now tell me, how do you use your personality in daily life?
I use my personality in daily life to stay positive. I help my friends and try to stay confident in every situation.
Very good, Sam. You use your personality to stay positive, help friends, and remain confident. This is your strength. Now tell me, what plans do you make to achieve your future learning goals?
To achieve my future learning goals, I practice English daily. I read books and articles and join online courses.
Very good, Sam. Practicing English daily, reading books and articles, and joining online courses will make your learning very strong. You explained your learning goals very clearly. Now, friends, if you like this practice, then subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Stay with us for daily practice. See you in the next video.